welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we're making these adorable Christmas trees with tea lights. As per usual, they're really easy to make, so come on, let's take a look and have a go. So you will need some paper, red, green, white, any colour, optional tea light and scissors. The first thing you need to do is turn your sheet of paper into a square, and you do that by bringing up one corner, aligning it as neatly as you can, make a nice neat crease and cut down along this edge. Here we go. So you've got your triangle or your square. Keep that fold, make it nice and neat. Bring this corner over here. And again, a nice neat crease. So that's once. Do it again. Twice. And again. 3 times. So this last fold's a bit tricky, but you can do it if you take your time. It just gets a bit thick. 3 times. You notice that with the last one, you end up with this edge. So we're going to cut this off. Now we have an open side and a closed side. Now the closed side is where you'll see the majority of your pattern. So you can just experiment. I'm just going to do some little triangles. You can make bigger ones. You can do hearts. And on the other side, we're going to do one triangle, not too big. We're going to do a line, you'll come back to that later, just one straight line and another triangle. And you'll see why we just do a line here in a moment. So, open it up. And we have, look at this, it's like a paper snowflake. But we don't want a snowflake, we want a Christmas tree. So you see these lines here? So this is where our main pattern is. I'm just going to crease it again because I need it to be pointing inwards. So I'm just doing an extra crease, opening it up. Again, just the main pattern. Again, just getting the extra crease in there. It just makes the folding in a minute easier. Don't have to do this step, but I do think it's easier. Again, check this crease. And then this crease. Okay, now it's time to assemble. So make it the center point up. Take this one, which is going to be the outside, and this one, which is going to be the inside, and start folding it up. Some of the creases are going in the wrong direction, which means you just need to gently fold it in place and just keep going round. The last one, you just flip it over and do it again. There we go. So just make sure, flip it over at the back and just make sure this one's nicely creased. There we go. So you've got your basic tree. So actually you could leave it like this, but you'll see it's not so shapely. So what we do is we take our little line and we give it a fold. And this will just help keep the tree in place once you want it up as a decoration. Just do one at a time. Some people like to cut the whole edge and fold. It does look nice, but it's a little bit more work. And you know how I like the easy. It's another easy. There we go. And you have your paper tree finished. So let's turn off the lights. Let's put this in. And at the end, we'll have another look at them all done. And you've got a cute little Christmas tree. Isn't that adorable? But like I said, look at the end of the video and you'll get to see it properly all lit up, looking gorgeous. So if you loved this super easy Christmas tree craft, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye. you.